So here's a quick tip for the track day guys that still use the stock 328i brakes or even like your stock BMW brakes. After a while, these brake caliper bushings will wear out, and basically you get a lot of play or a lot of caliper movement, and it makes pedal feel kind of worse. You can use the brass caliper guides that some web stores sell, but I really don't think it's necessary, especially since I still eventually street drive this thing. So if you buy certain brands of brake pads, they give you new caliper bushings. Really simple to change. You take the stock ones, or the original ones, they kind of slide in this way. You cut them off. Let me get you a better view. So they go into this hole this way. So you basically cut them off right here, and then you just push it back through. Now to get this thing back on, you just lube this guy really well with silicone spray and just slide them right back. And it's super simple, and it should help you get some feel back in your pedal. I'm trying to show you. If you look on the inside, that's where your caliper slide pin sits, and this is just much tighter, so it's going to give you a lot more pedal feel again. You can also couple that with upgraded stainless steel brake lines, and it will be good. It will be easily daily drivable, and you don't have to worry about the brass kind of galling up or stuff like that. So, thank you guys for watching.